How do we hack energy? There's many different ways, and guess what? The most important part of our body are our mitochondria. Mitochondria are literally equal to energy production. Now, how do we fuel our mitochondria? It's literally with air, with oxygen. So if you're sitting all day long, if you're driving a lot, if you're just simply not having enough activity, your probably energy levels are quite low. We can obviously take coffee and we can do all these other things, but they're just a temporary fix. So today, we're gonna focus on energy producing breathing. We're gonna simply start breathing in and out of our nose. It's gonna be very deep inhale and kind of a deep exhale, but a little bit less, so that way you have enough energy to inhale again. Now, the most important part in our nose, it's like a filter to our body, and it can activate a lot of different beautiful things in our brain, which are so vital and essential for daily energy levels. So wherever you are, make sure you're sitting, and essentially, the most important part is that you still follow the belly, chest, head. Whatever you are, let's get going. Fully inhale into your nose. Exhale out of your nose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Whatever you are, just continue with the same flow. Deeply on inhale, deeply on exhale. Whatever you are, just simply focus, commit, and breathe again. It is very important that you do not quit. It's gonna feel intense. It may be very hard for you at first. Your nose may get dry. Stick with me, stay with me. Breathe in, breathe out. To make it lighter and easier, just focus on something that you love. Teleport your mind into a beautiful place like this and just imagining everything around you breathing with you and supporting you, allowing that visual, the most powerful tool, our mind, to serve you, not to give you negative thoughts, not to give you the bad future. Just keep on breathing. Stay with me. Breathe in, breathe out.